Hey everyone. Welcome back to Wool of the Market, where we break down the latest in tech, earnings, and the trends making waves. Today, AMD just dropped their Q2 2025 results, and spoiler alert, it's a mixed bag with some fireworks. Let's dive in. Revenue soared 32% year-over-year to a record $7.7 billion, smashing analysts' expectations of around $7.43 billion. That's a major flex. Adjusted EPS came in at 48 cents, right in line with street expectations, but that's still down from last year. The data center segment grew 14% to $3.2 billion, client revenue, Ryzen desktops, jumped 67% to $2.5 billion, and gaming surged 73% to $1.1 billion. Now, the but moment. A huge $800 million charge hit the non-GAAP gross margin, all thanks to US export restrictions on AMD's MI308i chips destined for China. Without that, gross margin would have been 54% instead of 43%. Talk about a plot twist. Looking ahead, AMD expects Q3 revenue of about $8.7 billion, well above analysts' forecasts, especially bullish considering the export issue is still unresolved. Now, you've probably seen the meme explosion. It's giving vibes, or it's giving GPU domination. AMD is giving major computing and AI hustle, with Ryzen and EPYC domination, while mid-term, it's betting on the MI350 to give AI server strength. Just chef's kiss. UBS bumped its price target to $210, citing optimism around MI308 export resumption. Bank of America lifted its target to $200, expressing belief AMD could hit greater than 30% CPU market share by 2026 if trends hold. Melius, Raymond James, and Jefferies view the AI ramp-up, especially MI355 and MI350, as potential rocket fuel, estimating GPU run rate could hit $3 billion per quarter. Long-term EPS might climb back above $9. Barron's noted AMD still trails NVIDIA in rack-scale AI muscle taxonomically, and their MI350 may struggle against NVIDIA's GB200-based solutions, so the jury's still out until MI400 ships. So, here's the TLDR. AMD crushed revenue expectations, but margins got bashed by a big charge, and the AI growth path is high potential but uncertain. In short, it's giving epic comeback, but watch whether MI400 can deliver that mic drop. Drop a comment. Are you bullish on AMD's AI push or playing the sidelines? Hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.